Discover the joy, understanding, feast time in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard around celebration times, feast time. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it in your conversations, then you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this festive expression. Feast time is a phrase that isn't just about food, although that's a big part of it. Feasting refers to eating large amounts of food, usually because there is a celebration. So, when someone says it's feast time, they're often referring to a special occasion marked by meals that are grander and more abundant than usual. Feasting has been a part of human culture for thousands of years. It's associated with celebrations, religious ceremonies, and significant events. Originally, a feast was a way for communities to come together, celebrate achievements, or mark joyful events. Over time, feast time has come to symbolize a period of eating, drinking, and enjoying oneself with others. Now that we know what feast time means, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in sentences. The holidays are approaching. It's almost feast time at my house. I love Thanksgiving because it's the ultimate feast time with family and friends. After the wedding ceremony, guests were invited to the reception hall for feast time. Using feast time in a sentence is simple. Just think about moments that involve a lot of good food and good company. It's worth noting that feast time carries cultural significance. Different cultures have their own traditions of feasting, which can include specific types of food, rituals, or reasons for gathering. Understanding the cultural context can enhance the experience and your appreciation of these special times. That's a wrap on feast time. Remember, it's a phrase filled with joy, community, and delicious food. I hope this video helps you understand and use feast time with confidence in your English conversations. Enjoy your learning journey, and here's to many more feasts in your future. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.